This is called MDNS Responder, normally bundled client programs. This is called AFC to add. This is called COM and Beautiful First Sight. Called complications, brings Apple Watch widgets to your iPhone's lock screen. This is called substitute, substitute for code substitution. This is called Apple File Conduct 2, supports iOS 7 to 13. So modified version of source original AFC2 code that downloads and installs ARM64 copy of AFCD. This is called Spring-Demise 5 and customize the device like never before. So you customize the device with over 100 different options. This is called Let Me Block and makes the auto kill MDNS responder helper when MDNS responder keeps crashing. This is called IP Carrier, shows the current IP address in the status bar. This is called Pro Gesture, supports these iPhones, and you have all these features right here. This is called DL Easy and lets you download, share images or videos from Church app easily. Supports iOS 10 to 14 and supports all these apps right here. If it's not working on the specific version of the app, you have to downgrade it until it does work. This is called Etsnon and tweak that makes it easy to access your iOS device's file system from your PC. This is called Reprovision Reborn and allows you to sign apps from your Apple ID and keep them signed even when you're non-jailbroken state. Based on All-Store alternative, it does add support for iOS 14. This is the changelog, fits a bug where apps signed with the developer account which show as expired, fits network connection on iOS 13 up, fits a bug that causes apps to be duplicated when re-signed with a different ID, change automatically, close the detailed view after successful sign-in, change the way to get the icon and image from IPA, add check for the user, issue underscore name underscore hash to pick the right intermediate certificate. It's called Easy Dialer 14 and dial contact easily with T9 searching. This is called No Google AMP, calls request desktop site in Safari. It's called 3D Touch and using 3D Touch to carry the certificate details of the signed application, supports iOS 9 to 14. It's called Chat Bubbles Lite and keep chatting when using other apps. This is called Mail Labeler 14, highlights emails with stock iOS mail. It's called Gmailer 13, automatically fetch mail in the stock iOS app, mail app for Gmail accounts using the push controller from the Gmail app. It's called Yobon Evolution, essential utilities everywhere for iOS 13 and 14. This is called Super Recorder X Plus, record any phone call with VIP on your iPhone without using external service. Make sure you guys read and comply, with the laws in your state or country. You can read right here. The legal notice, me or developers don't take responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. So make sure you guys follow the laws and comply with them. This is called Lumi and night mode camera for low light photography. This is called Power Selector, iOS 11 to 14. And power off reboot, LD restart, safe mode, respring UI cache, lock user space reboot or carry it out, control center, power off menu, and apps. So one of my favorite tweets right here, changelog, added item to kill, comm center, and media server D, and control center options, default is off. This is called color coded LODs, color coded recent mobile phone .app, LODs, supports iOS 7 to 13. This is called A Blaze, it's a colorful animated music background. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Pinhead. Last piece called Pinhead or Pinhead WhatsApp, pin favorite chats and WhatsApp just like iOS 14. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.